Creating a new horse entry step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Click the plus button on the dashboard. Step 2. Click on Entry. Step 3. Fill in the necessary information like the job type, notes, or photos. It's also important to select the procedure performed like trimming or shoeing. Do make sure to link your entry with a horse. You can also choose to add shoes, nails, or other tools used during the horse service. You can also draw on the photos to highlight certain parts of the hoof. Step 4. Save the entry. Thank you for watching. And remember, we are always just a call or message away.